When you have a discussion with another person, make sure you have put the I before the you. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Oliver, I run 4 KFC restaurants in Switzerland, and I'm a firefighter. Why do I want to put the I before the you? Short example, if we have a discussion about what's just happened between us, and I say, you hurt me, that's going to be offending to you, and you say, no, I did not. And the discussion just goes into a vicious circle. But if I, on the other hand, talk about, hey, that what you just said, that hurt me, then you probably going to ask yourself why, and it opens the whole new range of discussion. You can talk about what you intended, you can talk about your emotions when you were saying it, and I, on the other hand, have still plenty of room to talk about my emotions and make you understand what just happened from my perspective. Therefore, put the I before the you when you have a discussion, and your life is going to be easier and your discussion is going to be more friendly. That's from my side, and if you enjoyed this one, have a look at this video as well. That might be interesting for you too. Have a great one. See you next time.